All right, we're going to replace the halogen bulb here for my headlight and high beams. And really a easy task here. There's a 10 millimeter bolt here, there's a 10 millimeter bolt here, and a 10 millimeter bolt here. So you just have to get this rubber piece off and take off this grommet here in order to access those other two bolts, but otherwise a pretty easy clip here and a clip inside of here that comes out pretty easily. So going to take you through that now, but ultimately the goal is to install these night guide platinum bulbs that should give me a little bit brighter headlights rather than changing over to LED and having to buy the whole conversion kit and the LED bulbs. So just trying to get a brighter headlight without spending a ton. All right, so I'm going to take off this guard first. This doesn't want to come off here, so I'm going to take my flat head underneath and just help guide it up. All right, now we're able to access these two 10 millimeter bolts and this one here. So I got my 10 millimeter. There's three. Now it's pretty simple to be able to pop this off. I'm going to pull up on this tab. And you just pull back. So there's a clip right here that clips in to the fender here. And then once you've got access, there's a clip here. Mine's missing, broken off, but you can probably see. No, there's not one there, but you would just push down and pull out. But pretty easy there. And then you just turn this counterclockwise and pull out the old bulb. The old bulb's fine, it's just pretty dim. I did read that halogen bulbs will lose some of its light over time, so hopefully that's the solve here. And then I've got the new replacement bulb here. I'm gonna go ahead and place this in the same way that I had the other one. Turn it, and you should, when you push this in, hear a click, but mine is missing that clip. So just guide this clip here into this hole here. You can see it pretty well from You can see it pretty well here, but let's see if it focuses in. I'm just going to push that into place, and then you'll want to make sure that where this clip can slide into this hole, it slides in there and should line up pretty well with these brackets down here as well. There's that there. And now it's just putting these 3 bolts back in with the 10mm socket wrench. And we'll pull this screw out as far as we can and set this back in that hole, push it down, and should be able to tighten it up just a bit, and that's it.